Nothing left. As you look around, you can see a building that is gone. A building without a fire alarm system. Right here is where that fire started. And now we have to go about trying to prove that. I bought this building almost 25 years ago because I started what was a paintball business. Later on, me personally grew out of the paintball business, but I maintained this property. Dryer was left running, nobody was here. Ultimately, lint in the dryer vent, caught fire, burned up this wall, burned out through the rest of the building, and remained undetected for almost 2.5 hours. A fire that could have been $20,000, $30,000 fire turned into a complete loss of over $1 million. Really, if we would have had a fire alarm system, we could have had maybe a small burn up this wall, and this fire might have been put out. So your goal with a fire alarm is to stop the fire early. You let that building become a full claim, and all of a sudden the insurance company no longer is on your side, they're on their side. So due to that fact, I've decided that we needed to start doing fire alarm systems as system tech, and we are protecting lives, we're protecting assets. Do it for yourself, whether you use system tech or not. Get yourself a fire alarm system and make sure that building is monitored. I just wish that I wouldn't have assumed that this place wouldn't burn down.